The ultra-wealthy are infusing young blood to reverse aging.
One liter out, 1 liter in for me.
Thanks for the plasma.
No worries.
But does this work? The research comes from a paper where they attached the blood supply of a young and old mouse together, and they found improved mental and physical outcomes in the older mouse. But with this technique called parabiosis, the old mouse received a lot more blood from the young mouse than he would have in a simple transfusion. And in addition to that, the pair of them had access to young organs, like a pair of young kidneys to filter the blood and a young liver to process the toxins for the both of them. And in a human study where they looked at people who had received blood transfusions for medical reasons, they found no correlation or even marginally worse survival for people who had received blood from younger donors. And since it would be obvious if Elon were walking around with a young poor attached to his body, we can assume that the rich aren't getting these benefits that they're paying for. They're just wasting medical resources. But the research continues, and specific proteins have been found that show some promise. Someday these proteins could be manufactured at scale with no farming of the working class required. This could benefit the rich and poor alike, but probably the rich first. I'm Aviva Carter, MD PhD candidate. Subscribe if you have a body.